Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you how I built these 3D printed 1 to 10 scale recaro-like seats for RC car models. This brief clip shows how I designed a 3D model of seats in Fusion 360 software. After I finished 3D model design, I printed all parts on a SLA 3D printer. Then I tested fitment of all parts. Next step was sanding all parts to make them nice and smooth, and then I sprayed them with acrylic primer to have a uniform surface. Here you can see all parts primed and ready to be painted. I painted all parts with tamiya colors. For seat shells I mixed black and German grey in a 1:1 ratio to get less deep black color and more realistic look. And seat base frame and seat belts parts were painted in chrome silver. After airbrush painting, I sprayed all parts with satin clear coat from a spray can. And here you can see finished seat parts ready for final assembling. I started seat assembling with upholstery. I cut out shapes from alcantara and I glued them to seat shells using contact glue. After I applied glue on both surfaces, I let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then I put piece of fabric on its place. I had to be really careful because with contact glue I had basically only one shot. There were a few spots where it was really complicated to put on fabric, so I masked these spots with acrylic color. Next step was assembling seat's base. This was nothing special, just a few 1.5mm screws. Then I assembled seat belts. I used 6mm wide yellow strap and I glued strap with super glue around 3D printed buckles, and that's it. And here we have finished 1:10 scale 3D printed seats for RC car models. I made these seats for my Porsche 911 RC model, and here you can see roll cage for this model, but more about Porsche 911 in next video. I would like to thank my Patreon for their support, I really appreciate it.